आम्ही आता प्रश्नकाल सुरू करूया.
Speaker, I may be permitted to correct star question number 15C, tabled by Honorable Member Digambar Kamath. As the reply is voluminous, I place it on the table of the House.
Yes.
Under Rule 49(2) of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Goa Legislature Assembly, I seek postponement of postponed star question LAQ number 1A on 2nd August 2012. Being very detailed requirement from all departments. It's a personnel department reply, which has been, in fact, it's asking of information in detail, almost about every department, and some informations are still not received. So, we'll give it by 2nd August.
पुढे दुखलेले प्रश्न. पहिला प्रश्न Alex Regional.
No.
I wanted a postponed question. I will not take the one.
You are not taking now.
So next question.
Shri Vijay Sardesai.
Speaker sir, I would like to take question 26C, stray dog menace. Reply is as per Secretary. Speaker sir, I would like to know the plans of the government to curb the menace of stray dogs in each of the major cities of Goa, and whether the government intends to have a proper budgetary allocation to the municipal councils and to the local self-government bodies to tackle the stray dog menace from this year onwards. कुत्र्याचे स्ट्रे डॉग्स हाजो कंट्रोल करपाक जी जबाबदारी आसता ती म्युनिसिपालिटी, जिल्हा परिषद आणि पंचायतींच्या त्या लोकल कमिटीचे अध्यक्ष, म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलचे चेअरपर्सन, जिल्हा परिषदचे चेअरपर्सन आणि पंचायतीचे चेअरपर्सन असतात. डिपार्टमेंटाचे लोकल मनीस ताजो एक मेंबर असता, and there is a committee constituted under Animal Husbandry Secretary as a chairman for purpose of controlling the stray dog menace. सरकाराचो जो कितें सपोर्ट खंयच्या म्युनिसिपालिटीक जाय तो सपोर्ट सरकार करपाक तयार आसा, पण ते इम्प्लिमेंटेशनची जबाबदारी, वेदर इट इज स्ट्रे कॅटल ऑर स्ट्रे डॉग्स, इम्प्लिमेंटेशनची जबाबदारी ही म्युनिसिपालिटी आणि लोकल ऑथॉरिटीच्या. आर्टिकल 242, 243 आमी जे पळय 72nd and 73rd अमेंडमेंट उलयता तातूंत जश्यो पावर्स दिल्या अनेक पंचायतींक तश्यो जबाबदाऱ्यो दिल्या. गार्बेज आणि cattle, stray cattle, stray dogs is a responsibility under that amendment of the Panchayat and Jilla Parishad. Government, we know the size of Panchayat, they can't do everything, we are aware of it. In fact, in case of stray cattle, I have asked Panji Corporation to form a wider coverage so that they can make arrangement for everyone. But final responsibility is that we are ready to provide any assistance in any form to them, including financial.
Speaker sir, from information that I have, the Animal Welfare Board pays rupees 445 per dog to an NGO which is registered with the board. When it comes to the city of Panjim, the entire management is done by the CCP. There is a bigger shelter, there are more cages. When it comes to the Margao Municipal Council, there are only 20 cages, and an estimated prepared by the municipality in which the South Goa Welfare Trust for Animals, I was wrong in asking that question, I did not put that South Goa. South Goa Animal Welfare Trust is given only 11,000 rupees per month by the municipality, which includes the vehicle and diesel that is provided by the municipality. In this 11,000 rupees, they have to provide for the dog catcher, the cost of the driver, food and medicines, as well as private rent of the land which is leased. My request to the Honorable Chief Minister is that if you are agreeing to make a proper budgetary allocation, you also see whether you can allot the animal husbandry premises lying unused at Sosado to be handed over to this NGO or to this trust. 4 years ago, the animal husbandry department had said that there are some alternate plans. They continue giving the same story and it is lying unused. If you allot them this place, the problem of stray dog menace in Margao could be tackled. Whether the government agrees to this?
Honorable member has accepted that Panji municipality has better arrangement.
They are doing it on
I
their own.
think you should congratulate the MLA involved. One is this side, one is that side.
We will.
Now Margao can also become like that, provided the MLAs are proactive in that area. तू आता एक्टिव्ह झाला त्यामुळे हांव एक तुका एश्युरन्स दिता. पहिली म्हणजे मारगांव MOU साऊथ गोवा वेलफेअर ट्रस्टाकडे हाजे कडेन ना स्टरलायझेशन डॉग. दे आर पेईंग देम. दे हॅव प्रोवायडेड डॉग कॅचिंग व्हॅन. 5,000 per month is paid to the trust as a fuel charges. 11,000 is paid towards salary of dog catcher and driver. In last meeting, Margao Municipal Council, म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट कितलो फरक पडटा पळय, has already decided to resolve to increase monthly payment from 16,000, जे 11 आणि 5 16,000 वयल्यान 25,000 करता म्हणला. तुवें जो विशय मांडला तो अत्यंत महत्वाचो आसा. हांवें तांकां इनफॅक्ट carried out one inspection with the department for the site also. After assembly is over, I will go there, call them, we will inspect together, because department ही कशी असता तांकां आपले कितेंच सोडपाचें नसता. This is public cause. This is not my cause or your cause. So we will definitely work out something in the month of August, and if that is not possible, some other premises will be given, because तांकां जागो कमी आसा हें म्हाका खबर आसा. म्हजे कडेन आयिल्ले ते म्हाका टायम मेळून ना स्वता वचून पळोवपाक. आय एश्योर यू दॅट आय वील डू इट. इफ एनी मनी इज रिक्वायर्ड, प्लीज मेक दॅट रिक्वेस्ट थ्रू द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन फॉर दॅट पर्पज. अर्बनाक येत जर तूं जाल्यार हांव मिनिस्टराक सांगून दवरता. वी वील गिव द ग्रांट. देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम.
Speaker sir, the issue here is Margao and Fatarda being a city which has on its periphery village panchayat areas. Now I stay on the periphery of Nuve. So there is a problem in Nuve also. That problem sometimes pulls over this side. Whereas that panchayat is ill-equipped. तांचेकडे पैसे ना आणि तांचेकडे काय अरेंजमेंट ना. So कितें जाता in areas like Margao, which is central to whole Salset, कुर्तोरीचे कुत्रे मडगांवान येवंक शकतात. There has to be a sustained approach.
हांव ऑगस्ट म्हयन्याच्या लास्टाक एक मिटींग दवरता. वी वील इनवायट सम ऑफ द सराउंडिंग. आय एग्री. म्हणजे परिस्थिती कितली गंभीर आहा ताजेर जर थोडेशें सांगूंक जाय जाल्यार इतलेंच सांगता. मोटरसायकलीन वचणारे दोग-तीग जाण म्हजे कडेन एक कंप्लेन घेवन आयले मडगांवचे की आमी पडले. हांवें म्हणलें मोटरसायकलीन पडले जाल्यार म्हजे कडेन कित्याक कंप्लेन ना, सारकी चलय गाडी, कॉप बी मारून आसले काय म्हणून. म्हणलें कुत्रे लागले फाटीक आनी पांय वयर घेवन बसचे पडले. म्हणजे दीस इज अ व्हेरी स्ट्रेंज टायप ऑफ एक्सिडेंट. आय हॅव नेवर सीन दीस कायंड ऑफ थिंग. सो आय एग्री दॅट इट इज हियर. sometime in the third week of August, I will conduct a meeting with all those panchayats where urbanization has taken place. I'll send letters to MLA, all MLAs, so you can ask those where the dog menace is there. One meeting I will call and we'll work out a centralized plan, because लहान पंचायतीक ती ताकद ना तांच्या खातीर हे करपाक. त्यामुळे हीच फॅसिलिटी जी आहा, फॉर एक्झाम्पल मडगांव कॅन टेक केअर ऑफ, म्हणजे इफ इट इज एक्सपांडेड प्रॉपरली विथ गव्हर्नमेंट सपोर्ट, इट कॅन टेक केअर ऑफ फुल Salset. That is how it can be done.
Speaker sir, only what I was asking for is budgetary allocation of कित्याक म्हणटा. I am not going into your budget or trying to find faults with it. What I am only trying to say is, if we can make budgetary provision for solid waste management, which we are doing, the government backs the municipalities for solid waste.
There is no need of a special head for it.
ना केल्यार पण वाईट नाही, कित्याक सगळ्याकडे प्रॉब्लेम आहा.
Huge amount provided,
not only to Margao or Panjim.
There is almost 328 crores provided with urban department.
Yeah.
If the Margao municipality asks for it, and if any village panchayat is in position to ask for his requirement, he has asked for huge amount in this supplementary. It will come before the house.
In his case, it is 17,000 rupees that is being paid.
नाही ताका वेगळे प्रोविजन करपाची काही एक गरज ना. आशिल्ल्या ग्रांटान भितर we will give money from that additional provision for this purpose.
Honorable Chief Minister, एक हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की हें कितें आहा, म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल by itself does not do it. An NGO supports it. So आता हातून कितें जाता, म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलाक एक्सपर्टायज ना आनी फक्त पयशे मागूंक जाता तांच्यान. NGO काम करता थंय. आतां मडगांवान म्युनिसिपालिटी कांय करना. म्युनिसिपालिटीक तुमी पयशे दितात, म्युनिसिपालिटी काडटा NGOक दिता. हांगा इश्यू कितें आहा की फाल्यां सरकारूच NGOक दिवन दी. हांव म्हणना लोकल सेल्फ गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन वचपा जाय म्हणून, पूण प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जावपाक जाय. And no government as of date is taking this seriously. Has not taken it seriously. I request that you should take it seriously.
Under 72 and 73rd,
Yeah.
72 and 73rd बसून उरलेल्या मेंबराकडे लक्ष दिवप नसता. रूल हाऊसाचो 72 आसा, सेकंड 72 and 73rd अमेंडमेंट जे आहा तातून ही जबाबदारी पंचायत आणि म्युनिसिपालिटीचेर दिल्या म्हणून ते तसो राउंड रूट फॉलो करता. बट वी विल होल्ड अ मीटिंग, जॉईंट मीटिंग, वेर NGOs विल बी ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अँड वील वर्क आउट द डिफिकल्टीज. कुत्रे जनावरांक मारपाक परमिशन ना. सो द अदर मेथड्स हॅव टू बी फॉलोड विच आर मोर ऑफ एनिमल फ्रेंडली. आय एग्री विथ दॅट. आय विल प्रोवाइड फंड्स.
नरेश सावळ.
ऑनरेबल मेंबरांचो प्रश्न काडला तो म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन हो प्रॉब्लेम आसा. तशेंच बिचोले जर पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार बिचोले म्हाका दिसता मेजर प्रॉब्लेम. कारण ज्या जाग्यार कचरो लागीं जाता आनी जो कचरो आसा पळय त्या कचऱ्याक लागून हो प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएट जाल्लो आसा. आनी हे जे कुत्र्याचें प्रमाण वाडलां जे ह्या फाटल्या काही वर्सांक चड वाडलें. तेन्ना उत्तर गोंयान म्हाका दिसता आसगांव खंय तरी एक संस्था आसा ते कुत्र्यांक घेवन वयता आनी तांकां तेज्या बरोबर तांकां कितें तरी पयशे दिवचे पडटा आनी ते परत हाडून सोडटा. ते व्हेले म्हणून जायना, ते परत हाडून सोडटा. परत तोच प्रॉब्लेम.
रॅबीज इनेक्शन आमी भरपूर धाडल्या.
नाही फक्त रॅबीज म्हाका म्हणपाचें आहा की एक म्हाका रॅबीज
दिवपाचे जाल्यार तुजे कडेन पावयता. सगळोच विशय आमी ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यान 3rd विकाक हांव मिटींग आपयता. सगळ्यांक पत्रां वतली. कोणाक इंटरेस्ट आसा तेव्हा येवचे त्या मिटिंगेन. एकाच हातून ते सगळ्यांक तोच प्रश्न आसा. हांव कुत्र्याची मिटींग आपयता हांव आमदारांची मिटींग आपयता म्हणल्यार ऑगस्ट पीक सिजन म्हणून म्हाका सांगता.
श्री दिगंबर कामत. फुडलो प्रश्न.
Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask star LAQ number 3A.
Reply is as per cyclostyle.
Speaker sir, here the reply given to me is that work had to be stopped due to objections from the locals. Will the Honorable Chief Minister tell me what were the exact objections?
Speaker sir, Honorable Member was the Chief Minister at that time. So he would know better because it is according to the record, it is as per his instruction work was stopped.
Speaker sir, see some locals had expressed some apprehension about waterlogging problem there. And then we had a meeting with the municipality irrigation department and that whatever pending work was remaining of that canal behind that place, that was taken up by the irrigation department. Now there are other demands where that they want jobs, somebody wants jobs there and all that. That is a separate issue. But I feel it's a project which is even funded by the central government. Will the Chief Minister see that the project starts again?